Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be discussing a simple way to show up Instagram feeds from your account to your website. Sometimes many of our customers might need their Instagram feeds to show up on their website. There may be a special business requirement for this, or they might want to showcase their Instagram portfolio on the website. So for this, we'll be using a code pre-written from GitHub. Okay, so let's see the code now on GitHub. Let's open github.com/ishthemes/instafeed_website. This is the code repository from where we'll use the code. The index.html contains the code. This is the documentation that explains you to use these code and incorporate it into your existing website. Okay, so let's open the index.html file and go through the code line by line. This is an HTML document. This is the head tag in which we'll have the title InstaFeed on your website, and there is a CSS which will make our Instagram feed look good on the screen. Body has h1 tag which shows up the title of the section. This is a blank div that will contain our Instagram feeds. Now this JavaScript is used to communicate with Instagram to get the Instagram feeds from an account. This part of code will initialize and call the Instagram API to get the data from an Instagram account. I have all the details regarding an Instagram account and where the feed must be shown inside the website. This tells the API to get the data for a user of Instagram. This line tells the target of the API, which has the ID of the div which must contain the Instagram feeds, must match to this ID. You can put any name that you want here. This line of code shows the resolution of the images that must be bought from Instagram. This will ask the Instagram to provide a low resolution image. This is the access token that you have generated from Facebook app. If you are not familiar with this, there is a video that helps you generate an Instagram access token from a Facebook app. You can watch the video and get your Instagram access token and just replace it here. If you are planning to include the Instagram feed into an existing website, you might not need the entire code. You can copy only this part of the code and paste it into your existing code and get the feeds running. But for now, we are going to create a completely new page that will have Insta feeds from your account. Let's copy this entire code and place it into our website. I'll create a brand new page on my computer and save it on the desktop. I'll call it index.html. I'll save it. I'll open it with my web browser. The feeds are not available yet because we have not replaced the Instagram access token. The Instagram access token can be generated from the Facebook app. There's a brand new video for generating Instagram access token using a Facebook app. You can go through that. I'll copy my Instagram access token from here and I'll put it into my website. Let's refresh the page and check if the feeds are available now. So yes, I can see my Instagram feeds from my account right on my website. Check this Instagram images, and I have the same images on my website. So that's how easy it is to show your Instagram feeds on your website. If you like the video, please share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.